In this section of this course, I am going to teach you how to or show you how to set up your development or learning environment on your computer. So we're going to be installing a few softwares which we are going to need in order to proceed with this course. So the first thing that we need to install is obviously Python because we are going to be writing a lot of code in Python. So we need to install Python itself and the interpreter. So in order to do this, all we simply need to do is just open your web browser and search download Python. Now, once you do that, just click the first link that pops up on your web browser. Now, once you do that, you'll be brought to this page where you can see the download button. So you can see that it has automatically detected my operating system, which is Windows. So what you just need to do is click download. Or if you are trying to download for an operating system and it isn't able to successfully detect your operating system, if you look down here, it says looking for Python with a different OS. Then you can just download from here. So we can download for Linux, we can download for Mac, and you could also check for the other versions that Python is available for. But for me, I will just click download Python. And then once I do that, you can see that it has started downloading. So I am just going to pause here and wait for it to finish downloading, and then we are going to get back. So once it has downloaded, I want you to just navigate to where the downloaded file is and open it. So what we actually just downloaded is the installer for Python. Now it says install Python 3.13.2. So at the point of making this video, this is the latest Python version 3.13.2. Now, the first thing that we need to do is we need to click add python.exe to path. Now, this is very important and we need to tick it because when we want to write our Python programs, it is important that our computer is able to find where the Python interpreter and the Python executable is. So that is why we need to click add python.exe to path. So it's just going to help you set up the environment variables. Now, the next thing that we need to do is we don't need to worry about custom installation as everything is already ticked. Now, all you just simply need to do next is hit install now. So once you click install now, it's going to basically just ask you if you want to allow the installer make a bunch of changes. Now, you could just tick yes. Now, once you do that, the installer is going to start installing Python for you on your computer.